Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check serial number on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Start on your iPhone's home screen. Look for the settings icon, which resembles a gray gear. Tap on it to open the settings app, which houses all the essential configuration options for your iPhone. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see General. The general settings contain information about your iPhone specifications, as well as various system-wide settings. Tap on General to proceed to the next menu. Once you're in the general settings, locate the About option, which should be at the top of the list. The About section provides a comprehensive overview of your device specifications, including your serial number, model number, software version, and more. Tap on About to enter this section. In the About section, you will see a list of various identifiers for your iPhone. This includes the device name, software version, model number, and serial number. Look for the serial number field, typically a bit down from the top of the list. Next to it, you will see a combination of numbers and letters, which is the unique serial number for your iPhone. And that is everything you need to know about how to check serial number on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.